back over here again at the 8th mile. I'm gonna throw the freaking kitchen sink at this thing, so let me see what's up. I'm gonna do one pass, see what the mile per hour is, and then I'm gonna take those turbo guards off and see what the mile per hour is.
You think it's restricted?
There's speculation that it's not helping. You know, there's speculation. So Carlos Lowe's from Holly EFI Instruction says to take those motherfuckers off of there. So I'm gonna do that second pass to see what the mile per hour is. I'm not gonna raise the boost
to like
3
the mile an hour.
It might. It very might. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm ready. We're gonna throw ice in it and go from there. Here's where we're at with the problem. Just as I anticipated, what I told everyone when I got here. 2 things. Either second gears, we're not gonna have enough power to put down, so we're already at a disadvantage power-wise. We gotta throw a lot of power at it just for it to leave. That's what we did. When we did that, the tire spun in the wheel. All that means is that that wheel and tire combo, because we don't have beadlocks, we can't push that much power on it, and that's what ate up that pass, because it stuck good, and then you can see in the video it blew it off inside the wheel. And looking at the tire and wheel right now, it's got the little bit of rubber from where it spun. You see all that rubber? Huh? Yeah, so yeah, that's coming from inside the beadlock here. So before I trash this tire, this brand new tire, because it's stuck and left, so the only other thing is we can try to turn it down, or we can put it back in first gear and change all the settings back to how we have them when we leave in first gear. Conflicted. I'm conflicted.
Yeah. You think it did that when it stuck, or did it do it after it broke loose?
It stuck and it broke loose because it spun in the wheel.
Yeah, it's rubber. It's sticky.
I'm gonna turn down the boost a little bit. I'll leave the RPM. Maybe I'll turn down the RPM just a hair and try it again. If it still does the same thing, we're done with second gear. We'll try first gear. I just don't think it's gonna 60-foot hard in second gear. We don't have the trans ratio. We don't have the beadlock to do it.
Hopefully it doesn't keep doing that now. Now that they already did that.
Yeah.
Now it's slippery. It's gonna.
Yeah, it's either.
Should have told me I would have brought my beadlocks. Just swap some tires.
Thanks, Steven. Okay, so we're gonna give it one last chance for the second gear run. I turned it down a little bit. I don't know, but the 60-foot's not there. Then I know I need to go back to the first gear, adjust everything back to where we had it when it used to 60-foot in the 1-2s. At least then we know we can get us 1-2 out of it. We just know where the line is. We won't ever be able to 60-foot any harder until I get a set of beadlocks. or I change the gear ratio or whatever. So that's where we're at. Currently, this is the last chance I'm gonna give the car for second gear leave, and then we're gonna try it in first. It got closer. It got closer. That was a 131.
131?
Not in the twos, but it's a lot closer than it had been. That was a 5.5 at 134. Went 131, so that's like 3-4 miles per hour.
Just from a turbo guard.
Well, that was a whole lot better. Picked up the wheels. As per usual, we picked up the wheels once again, but I think we can tighten up the front and try to bring the boost in a little bit quicker, and it should stay planted and get out of the hole a little bit faster. 60-footed 131, which is slower than we have been. I mean, 125 is what it consistently does. 121 is what it's ever best done. There's still room there, but once again, we're limited because of that bead lock. If I want to get any quicker, leaving out a second, I'm gonna have to get bead locks. For now, we're gonna leave it there. Like I said, we're gonna bring in the boost a little bit different. I'm gonna tie up the front end just a little bit and see what it does. Throw a little bit more boost at it just to get some more mile per hour, because it's starting to move now that it's actually shifting on time, and then it's not blowing the tires off. I knew there was something up in the burnout when I was doing the burnout, and I tried to trek it forward, and it was just sitting there spinning. So as soon as it blew off, I just let out and started coasting. So we cooled it down just a hair, put some ice in it real quick, and we're gonna try to hot lap it a little bit, see if we get a good pass off before the night's over. So that's what we're doing.
How was it?
Exact same pass as
For real?
the last good one. 131.
Man, I could have sworn it was gonna be a 1-2 something.
5.5, 134. Exactly the same. Let me explain the situation a little bit. What I'm trying to do is achieve a 7-second quarter-mile pass. In order to do that, I have to 8th mile and 60 foot really, really well. This is why trying to solve the issue of the 8th mile time and 60 foot is so critical, because without it, we won't be able to hit our 7-second mark. So for now, we're gonna revert back to leaving in first gear because we were more efficient with the parts that are in here now in that setup. I've already started by taking off the differential gears. We're gonna swap the gear back to a 325 in order to have those consistent low 60 foots like we used to. So that's the plan. I'm not giving up. The quest for 7 continues. Gotta get to it.